Looking to add a touch of peace and elegance to your space? From stunning outdoor solar fountains to Zen-inspired indoor waterfalls, we've rounded up the best picks for relaxation and style. We're looking at the Mademax 1-watt solar bird bath fountain pump, a solar-powered floating water fountain designed to bring life to your bird bath, pond, or garden. The Mademax fountain runs entirely on solar power, no electricity, no batteries. It starts working in just 3 seconds under direct sunlight, spraying water 50 to 70 centimeters high. This is a great eco-friendly option, and the best part? It attracts hummingbirds and other birds to your garden. Keep in mind, since it doesn't store energy, it won't work on cloudy days. But when the sun is out, it's a beautiful sight. Next up, we have the SZMP 4W Solar Fountain, a powerful and upgraded solar bird bath fountain for 2024. This model features a 4-watt solar panel, providing a stronger and more stable water spray. Plus, with a built-in 4,000 mAh battery, it stores energy to keep the fountain running even at night for up to 6 hours. The highlight, 30 LED lights arranged in a 6-pointed star, creating a beautiful glowing water display after sunset, perfect for adding a magical touch to your garden. It also includes 4 fixers to keep the fountain in place and a built-in filter sponge to prevent clogging and extend its lifespan. Eco-friendly, visually stunning, and practical, this solar fountain is a great addition to any outdoor space. Now let's switch things up with something for indoor relaxation, the Spinning Orb Rock Cascading Tabletop Fountain. This compact Zen fountain is designed to bring a calming ambiance to your home or office. It features a realistic rock design with a moss-coated finish, giving it a natural and elegant look. A crystal-like orb spins as water flows down 4 tiers, creating a soothing waterfall sound while also improving air humidity, perfect for meditation or stress relief. The built-in LED light adds a soft glow, making it a beautiful decor piece for your workspace or bedroom. Plus, the Whisper Quiet pump ensures no distracting noise, just pure relaxation. Compact, stylish, and designed for serenity, this is a perfect indoor water feature for those looking to add a peaceful touch to their space. Looking for a stylish and soothing addition to your home or office? Meet the Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain, a 3-tier indoor fountain designed for relaxation and stress relief. This Asian-inspired design replicates the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring, with water gently cascading over 3 tiers. It even includes natural river rocks for added aesthetic appeal. The built-in quiet pump keeps the water circulating smoothly, preventing algae buildup, while the soft lighting feature creates a calming glow. Perfect for meditation, yoga, or even as a nightlight in a nursery. Just plug it in and unwind, whether you need to de-stress after a long day or add a touch of zen to your space. This compact artistic water feature is a fantastic choice. Meet the Mindsight Calming Cloud Tabletop Fountain, a rain-inspired indoor water feature designed for relaxation, focus, and better sleep. Unlike traditional fountains, this one mimics the sound of gentle rainfall, while a softly glowing cloud creates a soothing ambience. The splash-resistant lily pad keeps water contained, making it perfect for desks, nightstands, or meditation spaces. It features 7 calming colors, adjustable brightness levels, and an automatic 3-hour shutoff, ensuring a customizable and worry-free experience. Plus, it's USB powered, so you can plug it into a wall outlet or a USB port. Whether you need a mindfulness anchor, a stress reliever, or a sleep aid, the Mindsight Calming Cloud is a unique and peaceful addition to any space. Transform your space with the Mini Desktop Waterfall Fountain, a compact yet elegant indoor water feature designed for relaxation, style, and serenity. Featuring color-changing LED lights, natural river stones, and a modern tiered design, this fountain creates a calming, flowing water effect that mimics a tranquil spring. The quiet, built-in pump ensures continuous water circulation, keeping it clean and algae-free. Whether placed on your desk, nightstand, or coffee table, the soft cascading water sounds provide a peaceful ambience, perfect for meditation, sleep, or stress relief. Plus, the convenient on-off switch makes it easy to control at any time. Which of these fountains fits your vibe? Let me know in the comments. And if you love relaxing spaces, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more peaceful finds. See you in the next one.